Imagine how cool would it be to remember just one formula to solve this Skewb cube, and good news, I have it for you. It's Mitya there, you on the channel we're talking about Rubik's Cube, patterns and methods how to solve them. So take your seat and let's check out the formula. So let's start with the formula itself. I will position the cube that it will look with the yellow side to the top, white side would be on the bottom, and usual colors order would be blue, red, green and orange. And the formula would be R, U, R prime, U. That's it. Now we will see what's happened. We will analyze our first execution. So we see that yellow side has moved from the top to the front and front side has moved to the top. So they swap it. And also I see that green and blue also has swapped it. And I think that if we perform this formula again, everything will come to its place. Let's check. So yeah, we see that centers has fixed it. Now we have white, yellow, yellow on the top, and we have same order we started with. So it's blue, red, green and orange. But we have moved corners. I see that this corner has turned it, and that one as well. And I see that that corner, which was white, green, orange, has moved to the top. And that one is yellow, green, red, has moved to the back. So I see they move it around. That's good, so we performed formula twice and we've got that corners has moved around. So if we perform it once, we will swap sides. If we perform it twice, we will move corners. Let's perform further and see what's happened. That was third time, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I see the cube is almost solved, and these three corners which were moving all around, now they are on their positions, but they has turned. I see that this one turned, that one counterclockwise turned, and this one as well. So now you know that this formula can help you moving corners around, it can help you swapping centers, and it can help you with turning corners counterclockwise. But if you perform this formula on the left hand, it would be L prime, U prime, L, U prime. So it's a mirroring of the formula performed with the right hand. And you perform it six times. We already performed one. Now we need to get 5 moves further, and you will see that we will get solved state. So that's it. That was the formula. Next, I will show you how to actually choose which centers to be swapped. Let's see it. Okay, so now we have a solved cube and we want to check which centers would be swapped. And if you perform it this way, you will see that these two centers has swapped, that centers and that center also has swapped. And if we scramble the cube, let's scramble it somehow the way that, for example, white and yellow will appear close to each other. From you need to swap yellow and the center which is in front of white. So the white and in front is the blue, and we need to swap them. And you don't care about center this one and that one. First you position white and yellow. Now once white and yellow are positioned, you need to position all centers in the middle there. So we see that red and blue are in wrong order. We do swap. Now comes to green and orange, we see that they are improperly positioned, so we perform it again. And we have green, orange, blue, red. And white is on the bottom and yellow is on the top. This is, I would say, good luck for us, because we met a situation where we don't have a parity and all the swap operations has turned into right state of each center. Now let's emulate this way. I'll try to emulate the case where we would have a parity and we should require just one more move to complete the center's positioning. So let's first move yellow on the top. So it's on the top. Now we have red, blue, orange, green. Wow. So emulation would look like this. So I would first green, orange, but yeah. So you may appear in this state where you have improper states of centers in the middle there, and also improper state of centers of yellow and white. So if you fix, for example, order of green and orange, then you fix, for example, order of red and blue, you still have white is on the top and yellow is on the bottom. That's the case where you need to upside down your cube and perform swap again. As soon as you will be swapping these two centers and that two centers, white and yellow will preserve their positions. So first swap and second swap. These are three cases you can met during solve of centers positions of a Skewb cube, and now we are going to perform center solving, solving of corners of a Skewb. So we need to move them and place them on the right places, and I see that the corner white, red, green should land there. So I'll take the cube the way that this corner will appear on that roulette, and it will move clockwise here. So I will perform a formula: up, left, down, left, up, left, down, left, and this corner has moved to the top. So I'm lucky I have white, blue, red installed properly. I see that I have white, blue, orange, and also I'll take the way that it will move clockwise here, and up, left, down, left, up, left, down, left. Now I've installed it properly as well, and also I see that this corner should move there. So in order to do this, I will take these two corners and perform rotation of the left side, and I will be performing the formula L prime U prime L U prime twice, L prime U prime L U prime. This formula is the same as I have performed with the right hand, is just mirrored formula. So let's treat it as the same formula. But if you don't like to remember L U prime, L prime, U prime, you can still upside down your cube and perform the formula 4 times. This way corners will rotate and you will get the corner on its position. So we have installed all white corners around the white center. It means that all yellow corners will appear on proper positions. You will not be able to get any kind of situation where all yellows are installed and all whites are installed and all yellows not properly installed. So if you install white properly, so yellow corners will be installed automatically on their places. Now we need to turn them. So we will pick corners. I see that this is turned, this corner is turned, and that one. So I'll take the cube this way and we'll be executing the formula 6 times, and these corners will turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now these corners has turned and they are properly positioned. And now I have only these 3 corners and that one. Yeah. Let's check what can I do. I will perform this formula 6 times again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see that I have pair of corners and one of them should be turned counterclockwise and the second one should be rotated clockwise. So I'll pick the cube the way that I have 2 corners already positioned properly, and that one would lay on the roulette together with them and rotate it, so then it will be turned clockwise. These corners will change the orientation, but then I will perform anti-rotation, so this corner would be turned counterclockwise and these corners will change the rotation to the proper side. So let's execute it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we see that this corner has now turned and we have it properly installed, and now we've got these corners improperly oriented, and we will execute our formula 6 times more to fix them. And this is it. I hope you liked this method. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. This way we will grow and you will help me. Thanks for watching, bye.